Yes,
Okay, so good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm doing very good. What about you?
Yes, I am doing good too. Do you want to sit down somewhere? Are you comfortable?
Actually, I have just returned from my school,
Okay.
and that's why I'm searching some place to sit.
So, how was your day today? Were you busy?
Yes, I was very busy.
So, is it cold there? Can you please
Not
introduce
very.
yourself?
Yes, of course. I'm Archana Kesarwani. I'm a teacher. Currently, I'm living in Pratapgarh, and
Which
you can
state
ask
is
me
it?
questions. Yes,
Which state is it?
it is in UP. I'm from
UP.
UP.
Okay, okay. Yes, and so you
Thank
were.
Wearing a sweater. It is very cold today.
Okay.
Same here. I myself have two children.
Yeah, okay. So, what languages do you teach? What subjects do you teach in school?
Actually, I teach SST English, social
Okay.
science and English.
What's your qualification?
I am. I have completed my post graduation in
Okay.
English.
In English.
Yes.
Any specific reason you want to like enhance your spoken English, or you just like interacting with people?
No, I just want to enhance my language because, as I have told you, that I am a teacher and I teach English. So I want to be fluent in this language. If I am a teacher, I should have knowledge, especially when I am speaking. That's why.
Yeah, yeah. Your English is quite good, I can say. Like you're talking to me up to now. Your English is quite good. Do you have any
But
challenges?
no, I have no challenge. I have good command in grammar also. I know vocabulary also. I know many things, but when I come to it comes to speaking, then sometimes I forget the word. After speaking, I come to know, oh my God, what I have done. I can say this sentence like this.
Yeah, yeah,
that
yeah.
that I want to improve.
It happens due to lack of practice, right? Because you don't talk to anybody like 15, 20 minutes long conversations. If you make such conversations, then you will improve your vocabulary and
That,
you will know
that's
what to say.
that's why I'm here.
Do you do this often? Do you talk to different people also?
Not always. When I have
Sometimes.
emailed you first time, that was my first day actually. Before
Mm,
that, I haven't talked anybody in this language.
mm.
But uh, if we are here, we are meeting first time, and before this, I have talked to three-person.
Three people you have spoken to.
Yes.
Right. So what is your routine like now? You have come back from school. What do you do now after this?
When I come to school, I take my lunch. Actually,
Oh, you take your lunch now.
that's why I have demanded you for 5 minutes to take my lunch. And then after I prepare tea for my children and try to send him all up to their coaching so that they can complete their homework. Otherwise, I feel lots of burden if I connect with them to complete their homework. So
Mm.
to be free, I send both of them to take some tuitions so that they can complete their homework.
Mm. But it's very hectic, right? Like you yourself are a teacher, then you're a homemaker also. Do you have any help at home? Somebody to help you?
Yes, I have my mother-in-law. She is very
Mm.
helpful. She does lots of work for me. Sometimes she washes my children's clothes also. I use washing machine, but she doesn't. And she always try to wash by hand only. And
Yeah.
then after I have a maid who do the dishes and floor cleaning, all of
Mm.
that.
Okay. Yeah, that is how you're able to manage, right? Otherwise it's very difficult.
It's very difficult because after coming from the school, you can't be able to do the dishes and no, just try to
Yes.
do something in the morning, but it doesn't happen. I feel very tired.
Yeah. It is natural, right? It's natural to feel tired after. Like, do you deal with the students of which class?
10th, up to 10th.
Up to 10th. Oh, yeah. It is like, exhausting to deal with small children, right? Primary school, high school. It's
Actually,
difficult.
to be very honest, this is my own school. It is
Okay.
established by my husband,
Hmm.
and we both take care of this. So
Okay.
sometimes I have to see nursery class also.
Hmm.
When I think there's a problem, I go there to deal with.
Yeah. And to start an education institution of your own, you should be very strong, right? Like mentally strong. You have to be demanding. Like people should be afraid of you, basically, children, because they have to listen to you. It means to say they have to be afraid of you, right?
They feel afraid.
Yeah.
Feel afraid. They come to me, but with logical things.
Yes. It is important to keep them disciplined, right? Mm.
Someone should be there to maintain the discipline.
Mm. Yes. So, how many years of teaching experience do you have?
More than 10 years.
Oh, wow.
हम्म हाँ बोलो ऊपर ही हूँ आ जाओ.
How old are both of your children?
The elder one is he's 10-year-old and the youngest he's 6-year-old.
Okay, right. Yes. So, what plans for future? You're going to continue running the school?
Of course, it's my own, so it's very important to me for me to take care of it.
Mm.
Yeah, actually, I am here for two reasons. First, that I have to improve myself. Then, after I have to make all the students to be able to speak English. That's why I'm here.
Mm.
The first thing that I have to improve first, na, then I can make them capable of speaking this language.
Mm. Is
He
it
is
an
my
English medium school? Elder son?
yes. Yes.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Gaurav Kesarwani.
Okay, which standard are you studying now?
Six.
Sixth. How's your school? Did you just finish your school now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what are your school timings?
Um, Morning school timing is 8:15 to 8:45, and after 12 p.m. 3 p.m. Uh, over the school 3 p.m.
Okay, so basically your school timings is 8:45 to 3 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you tired now?
No,
Your mother is tired, not you.
my mother is working a work, a lots of work of my mother. He is sorry, she is a work a lots of work in
She does a
home
lot
or
of work. Yes.
yeah.
So do you help her
Yeah.
or you trouble her?
No,
Who troubles her more, you or your brother?
I.
You trouble her more. Oh, okay.
But my young younger brother, he is not tired. He mm, naughty boy.
He's not
He is
here.
naughty.
Yes. Younger brothers are always not here. Elder ones are more obedient.
Yeah.
So what will you do now? Now that your school is finished, what are your plans now?
Uh, I eat my meal and I go to sea fair.
Okay. So you have an outing today.
Yeah.
Planning an outing today.
Yeah.
No tuitions today? No coaching?
No, my sir is not coming in.
Okay. Your sir is absent today.
Yeah.
Well,
My
who is the
teacher is
stricter parent?
ma'am,
Who is the stricter parent? Your mom or dad?
dad.
Are you scared of your dad?
Yeah. He beat me.
Oh,
Very heavy.
Your mom never beats you? Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Mm.
My mother beats me.
Lesser than your dad.
Yeah.
Okay.
My mom is different from this.
मुझसे ले लो जाओ जो अच्छा मेरे पर्स ले लो जाओ go
Okay.
actually sometimes he practice with me now so he is
Mm.
able to speak.
Yes, yes, yeah. He is able to speak quite well. You know, he is confident and he has fluency. He's not shy or not thinking about speaking. He's big enough.
Right from the beginning he is very
Ah.
courageous.
Oh, okay.
He never
Yes.
felt afraid of anybody
Mm.
instead of his father.
Only he's scared of his father.
Yes.
Mm. Yes, yes. Is
And he narrated me short stories uh, in when he from his syllabus
mm.
tried to narrate the story to me in English.
Oh. Mm.
Then I feel that yes, he is good. He can enhance his knowledge.
He can. Yes, yes. Yeah, your school is an English medium school, the school that you
Yes.
teach in?
Yeah. This is English medium school.
You Jama, you have a 200 rupees of my, okay?
Go.
Okay, you have any, do you want to ask me any questions?
No.
Okay, so tell me the best memory of your school, your teaching experience. Do you have any best memory from your teaching experience? Anything that you want to share?
Yeah, I can say. Last year in class 10th student, her name is Vaishnavi Dubey. She has topped in the high school. She got 95% marks in UP board. That was a very good memory for me.
Mm-hmm.
It is first time that any of my student has got this type of number.
Oh, okay. So I think you're expecting even this year good result from your school.
Of course,
What is
I
a
have
like, you know? Hmm.
I have 2 or 3 students from whom I can expect that they are able to get that type of result.
Hmm. What is the total population of your school?
600-700.
700 from nursery to 10th standard.
Yeah.
Okay. So what time does your husband return? He has to be in the school like till everything is over, right?
Actually, no. I come up after everything has over. Actually, my husband he's a government teacher in other school.
Oh,
I was
okay.
also I also have cracked the government exam, but I left that exam because of my school. And
Mm.
he's about to come from
Are you
his
happy
school.
with the decision of yours, like leaving your government job for to start your own school?
Yeah, I'm happy because someone should be there in at home also to take care of the family. And just because it was my school, so I can't leave this school to anybody else. Now in this world, no one is so worthy to work in any institution like a person like me. That's why.
Mm. But is it challenging for you to find staff for your school? Teachers?
No, I don't find any challenge to find the staff, but I find challenge to manage them.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That is what. Yeah.
That's a very toughest job. Sometimes, if you want to do some work from them, they try to do but not satisfactory. That's a challenge.
Yes, yes. Everything you have to like, watch on them. You have to keep an eye all the time.
Yes, that's the main reason. Sometimes I want to go anywhere to enjoy myself, but I
Hmm.
leave it just because I think it happened whenever I leave the school for any other work, some blunder happen. That's why I never try to leave it. Sometimes, any child has left from the vehicle another reason. Then after guardian all started calling me, this happened, that happened. It got, it disturbed me so much. That's why I always try to go anywhere after closing the school.
Mm. So like you close your school at 3 o'clock.
Yes.
So whenever you want to go for a vacation, when do you go? Summer vacations?
Summer vacation or winter vacation. Like on 30 December, I think, yeah, after that, there will be a winter vacation by the government. So we have decided to go Vaishno Devi.
Right, yeah. And even in summer, you won't have much time, right? You have to come back for your next academic admissions, all that you have to
That's,
take care
that's
about.
true. I always try to go in June because till 20, we have to take care of the class in school. And after 20, we got a vacation. We
June
get the
20,
vacation May 20.
May 20. Okay,
May
okay.
20.
Mm.
Then after we try to, we plan something to go somewhere to enjoy
Mm.
ourselves.
Mm.
And in between, we don't get any time. Even
Yeah,
if we have got any invitation, we very hesitate to go somewhere. Because to go anywhere, to stay at night, then return from there, and the morning schedule is so busy.
yes,
That time I feel very depressed. What to do?
yes, yes. Yeah, same case when
And
you're sick also, right? When you're sick
yeah,
also, it is difficult.
that's true. That's true.
Mm.
No, if I am sick, then again we try to go. I try to go to school. At least I would be there to check any everything.
Yes, yes. At least for 1 or 2 hours, you can go and come.
Hmm.
Yes.
Now,
Okay.
can you tell me about your future plan?
My future plans, growing my YouTube channel, working for my channel, and continuing what I'm doing right now.
That's
Professionally,
nice
only that thing is there in my mind as of now.
because you have to take care of your family also.
Yes, yes. And this is something which I can purely do when I have free time. I need not stress much about it. Whenever
Hmm.
I'm free, I can do it in bits and pieces. I can finish conversation now. I can do editing later. I can do uploading later. So I don't have to be continuously there available here. So it is less
That's true.
stressful for me. And it is kind of satisfying also. You also
You are
get to
doing
connect
something.
with people. You get lovely comments from people. Everything is
Yeah,
nice. Mm.
that's
Right. Okay. Shall we end the session? Or is there anything you want to tell or share?
no. Actually, there's nothing special to tell
Yeah.
you. But yeah, the one thing that I want to connect you again,
Mm.
whenever you
Yeah.
get time, please tell me. I would be
Okay.
there. I will try to be available there to talk with you. I'm feeling
Okay.
nice about you.
Sure, sure.
You are very
Okay.
generous. You have a capacity to listen a person before you. That's a very good quality in you.
Yeah, that is how
It doesn't happen every
communication
time.
works.
It doesn't
Mm.
happen every time. I have talked to many person, but they were different. They was
Mm.
trying to prove themselves better than me. That's why they're they're giving their comments more, and you have a capacity to listen me. That's nice.
Mm.
I would like
Yeah,
to talk to you again.
sure, sure. Yeah, we'll connect again whenever I have time. Okay.
Okay, okay. Message me.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good
Bye
day. Bye
bye.
bye. Bye.
Bye
Take
bye.
care.